Hey everybody, I'm Jamie and this is Ross from Tait Real Estate with Realty Executive Saskatoon, and welcome to Thirsty Thursday in the Tait backyard. What are we making this week, Ross?
Today we're going to make something that was sent in to us by a follower called the Spins. First we're going to put in gin. We're going to put in 4 ounces of gin. Of course, this is for 2 drinks.
4 ounces of gin.
So we've got 4 ounces of gin, and it has Aperol.
How much of that?
1 ounce.
1 ounce.
1 ounce, so that'd be half. Yep.
Okay, so we'll do an egg white in there?
Egg white. Are your hands clean?
Yeah, washed them yesterday.
Okay. Okay, we're putting in the egg white. Just 1 is all you need. We've got some simple syrup that we're going to put in.
How much of that?
We got about 1.5 ounces. Oh, now I gotta go to the bathroom. Ugh. The juice of 1 lemon.
Lemon.
So with any of the sours that you make, or any of the fizz drinks, when you're using the egg whites, you should shake it without ice first, because that emulsifies it. But you do have to shake it enough in order to get that foam going from the egg. Now we're going to add some ice to cool it down. There, that one cooled it off. Beautiful. This is the Spin, so thank you to one of our followers who sent that in.
Cheers. If you have a recipe,
Wow.
send it in, because that's pretty good.
Cheers, everyone.